Yo, I need you to hear this one. A guy gets a letter after the hearing happened saying his support order doubled.
Wait, after it was already over? How is that even legal in a modern court system?
It is not, and that is the whole point. Due process means you are entitled to proper notice before a hearing that affects your rights.
So, what does proper notice look like in real terms? Is it just a text or what?
It means being served the right way at your actual current address with enough time to prepare. If that did not happen, you have grounds to challenge it.
So, what should he have done the second that letter showed up in his mailbox?
File a motion to vacate immediately. You do not just accept the result, you were never given a chance to fight in person.
That is exactly the kind of thing nobody tells fathers until it has already happened to them.
Which is why we are here. Get the app and know your rights before you are the guy holding that letter. We will see you next time.
Speaking of being caught off guard, what about when you are in the room and see evidence for the first time?
That is a huge problem. You have the right to see evidence with enough time to respond, not get ambushed mid-hearing.
So, if the judge hands you a stack of papers right then and there, what is the move?
You ask for a continuance on the record. Tell the judge you have not had adequate time to review the documents.
I bet most guys just freeze up and try to wing it because they do not want to look unprepared.
Exactly. They try to respond on the spot and lose a case they could have won with a week of prep.
It is wild how much of this comes down to just knowing what you are allowed to say to the judge.
Silence costs you in that room every single time. If you are not ready, you have to speak up.
And the system is not exactly slowing down to help you find your voice, is it?
Not at all. The system is built for speed and collection, especially with those federal incentives in play.
That is why being prepared on paper is the only way to protect yourself. Do not let them rush you into a bad spot.
Exactly. Check the app to see how to handle discovery and requesting more time. Do not go in there blind.
Knowledge is power in these situations. We will catch you guys on the next one.